I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. First, make sure both monitors are connected and identified by your operating system. That prevents confusion. Once done, open Davinci Resolve 19 and go straight to Workspace, then Dual Screen. Select the Dual Screen option and pick either on or full screen depending on whether you want a dedicated second UI. This step tells Resolve to split panels between displays. It's the essential toggle that starts the dual display workflow. Now you'll arrange where things live. Reset the UI if needed to avoid odd placements, then drag the timeline, viewer, or mixer toward the second monitor. Make sure you release on the second display so Resolve docks the panel there. This is how you create a true dual screen layout. You can customize which pages appear on each screen. For example, keep Edit and Timeline on one, Color or Fairlight on the other. Because separating tasks boosts speed, finish by saving the layout so you don't rebuild it each session. Go to Workspace, Layouts, save layout, and name it. If panels resist moving, toggle dual screen off and on, reset the UI, and make sure your GPU drivers are current. Resolve relies on GPU mapping for displays. Finally, test full screen on the second monitor to confirm visuals behave as expected. This confirms everything is docked properly and ready for efficient editing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.